Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this stunning gingerbread tags in Canva. So if you want to elevate your holiday designs using the gingerbread tags, you can easily do it in Canva by following the steps. First, you can just open a blank canvas like this and then head to elements. And now on the search elements at the top, you can just find gingerbread letters. You can hit on enter. And in here under the graphics, you can just see all of these gingerbread letters that you can use. But you need to know that some of them are a pro, so you need to use the pro feature or Canva Pro to be able to use that letter. But here there's also some free one if you want to. So let's just add one of them. For example, I'm going to go with this one. You can adjust the size to how you like it, just like this. If you want to make it bigger, you can use one letter per page, just like this. You can add a new page and then add a new one. Let's try to add the free one. Okay, for example, this one right here. Of course, the pro letter is better than the free one, but this is the gingerbread letter. I'm going to go to make a word from that gingerbread letter. Let's arrange it just like this. You can find. I'm going to duplicate it. No, sorry. Let's try to write happy. Okay, I'm going to go with this one right here. And then the last one. Okay, so this is the gingerbread letter for your holiday design. Don't forget to use this on Canva, and that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!